Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining Starlink Residential Lite in 2026, Elon Musk's cheapest internet plan yet, including how it actually works, pricing, speeds, and whether it is actually worth it in 2026. So Starlink Residential Lite is a budget version of the Starlink's satellite internet service. It uses the same low Earth orbit satellites but with lower priority on the network. In 2026, this plan has mostly been rebranded into the lower tier residential plans like the 100 Mbps or 200 Mbps options. Now, if we talk about the pricing, this is where it gets really interesting. Earlier, the residential Lite was priced around $80 per month in the United States. In some regions, cheaper versions go as low as $30 to $40 per month depending on the availability. The standard Starlink plans still range roughly from $50 to $120 per month. You also need to pay for the hardware kit, which usually going to cost you around $349 one time unless there is an offer. Now, residential line typically offers the speed between 50 Mbps to 200 Mbps depending on the version and the location. However, since it is a lower priority plan, your speed can drop during the peak hours when the network is busy. The good news is that it comes with unlimited data, but here is a catch too. Your connection is deprioritized, meaning heavy users or the busy times can slow your speeds significantly. Starlink works almost anywhere with a clear view of the sky, especially in the rural or the remote areas where cable or fiber is not available. However, cheaper plans like Residential Lite are often limited to the low demand regions, so not everyone can get the lowest price. Starlink Residential Lite is definitely worth it only if you live in the rural areas, you don't have access to the fiber or the cable, or you want cheaper satellite internet. But if you need consistent high speeds or live in a busy city, higher tier plans or the fiber will perform better. So if this video helped you understand Starlink Residential Lite plan better, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.